Hello and welcome back to Good to Know. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to take your mobile videography skills to the next level. In this video, I'll be sharing 12 mobile videography tips for beginners that will have you shooting like a pro with your phone. By making a few simple tweaks to your shooting style, you can achieve stunning and professional-looking results. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, lighting. Good lighting is essential for high-quality videos. Utilize natural light whenever possible, and consider investing in portable LED lights to control the lighting conditions for your shots. Tip number 2, camera movement. Smooth and steady camera movement can instantly enhance the professionalism of your videos. Whether you're guiding the audience into a scene, revealing a location, or ending a shot with a pullback, consistent and meaningful movement can elevate your storytelling. Tip number 3, camera apps. For more control over camera settings, consider using professional camera apps. These apps allow you to manually adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance, ensuring consistency in your footage. Tip number 4, slow motion. Add drama and engagement to your footage with slow motion shots. This allows your audience to appreciate the moment in greater detail. Experiment with different speeds to set the mood for your videos. Tip number 5, lenses. Make the most of your phone's lens options, if available. Utilize ultra-wide, telephoto, and standard lenses to capture a wide range of perspectives, from captivating close-ups to breathtaking wide angles. Tip number 6, music and sound effects. Elevate the mood and feel of your videos by adding carefully selected music and sound effects. Consider using a reliable music library like Epidemic Sound for a wide range of options to enhance your storytelling. Tip number 7, accessories. If you struggle with handheld shots, consider using accessories like gimbals to achieve smooth and cinematic movements. Lenses and filters can also add visual flair to your videos, enhancing colors and reducing glare and reflections. Tip number 8, color grading. Stylize your footage and give it a unique touch with color grading. Experiment with contrast, white balance, and saturation to find the perfect look for your content. Tip number 9, camera features. Explore your phone's camera features, such as cinematic mode or time-lapse mode, to add depth and movement to your shots. These features can help create visually appealing and captivating sequences. Tip number 10, get creative. Let your imagination run wild. Have fun and experiment with unique angles, creative transitions, and innovative ways to tell your story. Combining different elements like shooting style, music, sound effects, and color grading can make your videos truly captivating. Tip number 11, camera angles. Avoid the common eye-level shots that lack excitement. Mix it up and experiment with different camera angles to make your footage stand out. Try lowering your camera close to the ground for a unique perspective, or shoot from top-down and up angles to add variety to your shots. Tip number 12, planning and storyboarding. Before you start shooting, take some time to plan your shots and create a storyboard. This will help you visualize the story you want to tell and ensure a smoother shooting process. There you have it, 12 mobile videography tips for beginners to shoot like a pro with your phone. I hope these tips have been helpful, and you'll see a significant improvement in your smartphone videos. If you're interested in learning more about video production and filmmaking, don't forget to check out the other content on this channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy filming. Don't miss out on more exciting content. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for updates. Remember, while these tips can help improve your videography skills, it's your creativity and passion that will make your videos truly unique. Happy filming!